Morning, expecting that today is get 100, but Ishan, how he just played that innings is it's a wonderful. It's a I believe this is a wicket is two pace. It's not a easy to bat, but how he just played that innings marvelous. It's 40 balls and 77 runs. It is not easy. It's a very good score. Now India bowlers should have to bowl well in the right area, especially the spinners. I believe India will win today. Yeah.
We saw a wonderful innings, but we saw how aggressively he was playing, and then we saw Samim put a slide on the ball, and that was a clever delivery.
Yeah, that was a clever delivery. He just could have been some of that. The runs it should in going through that covers area, but somehow that how he just played that innings because that is not an easy wicket. But he played a brilliant innings, I can say, for Team India, and this, especially the World Cup is a nerve match against the Pakistan. It is wonderful, I believe.
As Pakistan, we saw they used spinners because it's a slow-turn pitch.
Yeah.
So, what you are expecting for India bowling lineup?
Bowling lineup, because we have a lovely spinners. We have Varun Chakravarti, Kuldeep, and Akshar. These are the main spinners. I'll believe in Varun Chakravarti. All we know that some of the mystery, and Kuldeep also is not. They have to be face it very troubled. For especially in this wicket. They haven't faced too much in Kuldeep, and these are the too much trump card I can say for today's because this is a 175. I could have been expecting in 180, but this is 175. It's a big thing, and they are really getting a trouble for Pakistan.
As you said, so 180, but India gave 176 target.
Yeah.
It's a close enough.
I'm quite happy because this wicket is not easy. You can say that. Wicket is not easy. It's a two pace. It is very spinning that wicket, and I believe these Indian bowlers should help and to make him very tough in this situation. It is not easy to chase in 176. I believe they will make it in a 110 or 120. It's India through that win very easily today. Yeah, Surya, because that was crunch situation, that Hardik and Tilak is, that is got out it very easily. And but Surya, it's scored 30 runs. That is very useful innings. He just, stay on the wicket and to getting India to through and this 176. I believe Ishan and Surya's innings is very good for today's, I can say.